Students, how are you? Here Shilpi Sani from Suraj School Bhiwadi PGT English. Today we will start our lesson from our book Honeycomb. Open your book. Lesson 3, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Clear? And we will just discuss about this lesson. And as you know that it is the lesson of Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Hilsa is a kind of fish, okay, and it is the season of Hilsa fish. And due to that, Gopal was given a kind of challenge. Let us see whether he will win the challenge or not. As you know that it was the season of Hilsa fish, okay, and it was Hilsa that everyone was talking about. Everyone was talking in the means market and in the court, in the palace, everywhere there is the discussion of Hilsa fish, okay. In the market, fishmongers were selling only Hilsa fish, luring customers to buy it, okay. In market you can see that there is everyone is talking about the Hilsa fish, okay, and shopkeepers just they are asking to buy to the customer to buy the Hilsa fish. Even in the royal court, courtiers were talking about the Hilsa. Everywhere there is a discussion of Hilsa fish because it is a time of Hilsa fish. This made the king lose his temper. जब सब कोई जो है हिल्सा फिश की बात कर रहा था, हर जगह हिल्सा फिश की बात हो रही थी, तो राजा को गुस्सा आ जाता है, ओके. ही गॉट इरिटेटेड, वो इरिटेट हो जाता है. ही बिलीव्ड दैट नो वन कुड स्टॉप द पीपल फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश, not even Gopal, who was the wisest man in his court. Actually, there was the person, his name was Gopal, and he was the wisest person in the court. He was very intelligent. गोपाल जो है, जो कोर्ट में था, वो इंटेलिजेंट था, वाइस्ट था, बहुत बुद्धिमान था, ठीक है. तो राजा को लगा कि कोई भी उसको रोक नहीं सकता. नोबडी कैन स्टॉप टू टॉक अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश. इवन गोपाल ऑल्सो कुड नॉट स्टॉप. तो राजा को ऐसा लगता है. द किंग चैलेंज गोपाल टू बाय अ ह्यूज हिल्सा फिश एंड ब्रिंग इट टू द पैलेस विदाउट asking any without asking him about it. Now the king challenged Gopal. Gopal accepted the challenge when he was given, and the challenge was that he had to carry the Hilsa fish, and nobody would ask about that Hilsa fish if he would bring that in the palace. And Gopal just accepted this challenge. Clear? Gopal just accepted this challenge very carefully, and he did it. And he did it. What did he do for completing his challenge? Okay, what did he do? We will see just. After a few days, Gopal shaved beard from half of his face and smudged ash on himself. What did Gopal do? He shaved half his beard. उसने अपनी आधी शेविंग करी. Clear? फिर उसके बाद वो क्या करता है? What did he do? He just smudged ash on himself. अपने फेस के ऊपर अपने ऊपर राख को स्मर्ज कर लेता है, लगा लेता है. He wore rugs and looked disgraceful. Now he just used to wear the rug dresses and he wanted to look himself what? Shabby appearance, ganda appearance, disgraceful, जो कि अच्छा ना लगे, odd look, okay. वो अपने आप को एक odd look देता है. His wife was shocked and asking him not to leave home like this. और उसकी wife shocked हो जाती है और उसे पूछती है, उसे कहती है कि इस तरह से घर मत छोड़ो. She asked not to leave home like this because you are not looking good. His wife said. उसकी वाइफ कहती तुम अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हो, नहीं जाओ. बट गोपाल क्या कहता है? He kept on telling her that he was going to buy a huge Hilsa fish and that is the preparation to buy that nobody would ask. तो वो कहता है कि मैं ह्यूज हिल्सा फिश लेने जा रहा हूँ और मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन ना करे, इसलिए मेरा ये गेटअप है. शी थॉट गोपाल हैड गॉन मैड. फिर उसको लगता है कि गोपाल जो है मूर्ख है. वो कैसे क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ? वो पागल हो गया है. At the market, Gopal bought a huge Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. What happened when he went to the market? He bought a huge Hilsa fish there, and then he just moved towards the palace because he had to win the sorry, he had to win the challenge. What he had given, what he had been given by the king. Okay, no one noticed the fish, but everyone was looking at Gopal walking strangely with his shabby clothes. Okay, what happened actually if we just changed ourselves in other manners in order to highlight ourselves, then everyone would notice to us, okay. Nobody will notice the things that is going on, okay. And the Gopal just did the same thing. He changed himself completely in order to be the central of attraction, and he he became the central of attraction. उसने अपने आप को central of attraction बनाने के लिए completely change कर दिया, और वो बनता भी है. कैसे बनता है? Everyone was talking about now Gopal and his shabby appearance and his strange look. Nobody was talking about the Hilsa fish. That was about the matter of discussion at that time. And it was the challenge also which he was about to win. वो ये चैलेंज था जो कि वो जीतने वाला था. ठीक है, जो कि राजा ने उसको दिया था, तो उस चैलेंज को जीतने वाला था. लेकिन वो जो है क्योंकि वो इसलिए जीत जाता है क्योंकि वो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेंज और डिफरेंट लुक देता है. He gave himself a shabby appearance. Okay. And people also called him a mystic and mad. लोग कहते हैं वो मूर्ख है, पागल है. And then what happened? He went to meet the king but was stopped by the guards. When he went to meet the king, he was stopped by the guards. He started dancing and singing loudly in front of the royal palace. He just started dancing and singing in front of the royal palace. The king ordered his guards to produce the man before him. फिर किंग ऑर्डर करते हैं उसको कि जो है उस आदमी को लेके आओ जो इस तरह की हरकत कर रहा है. Everyone in the court was shocked seeing Gopal dressed up like a mad. Everyone was shocked. Okay, and Gopal was in that kind of dress. The king questioned Gopal about the reason for his weird attire. फिर किंग जो है ना से क्वेश्चन करता है this kind of weird, due to this kind of weird attire. Gopal reminded the king about the challenge. When the king asked that why are you in this weird and shabby appearance, Gopal, then Gopal answered that you had given the challenge and I had accepted. Okay. And when he reminded the king about the challenge and told him that from the market to the royal palace, no one was talking about that Hilsa fish, and no one was just asking about that Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking and asking about Gopal. No one was talking about Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about Gopal, and that is why the Gopal had won the challenge. Okay, in that way Gopal had done the impossible thing impossible. He converted the impossibility into possibility by using his talent and by just making himself different. Okay, then in order to draw the attention of everyone, also you also have to do something different that can be the matter of attention. Okay, everyone will be drawn, everyone will be attentive towards you. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, then we will discuss in our live class tomorrow, and today you will be given all the homework and assignments related to this lesson. Okay class.